Hi, my name is Lady Tatiana Silva Calderon, and I'm gonna talk about the effects of technology on the environment. So, I'm gonna see the letter. I want to talk about the impact of technology on the environment. Talking about the misuse and damage that this technology has done to our world through pollution and depletion of natural resources. Also, technology has caused many environmental and social problems. It also are key to addressing environmental degradation, climate change, food scarcity, waste management, and the other pressing global change. The benefits and opportunities of the digital age are undeniable, so it is necessary to mention that excessive consumption of information technology and the different technology advances are the main causes of global alert. For example, the hundreds of millions of computers and more than a billion television that are never turned off at the night in homes and affects contribute 40% of the global GHG produced by ACT. This is equivalent to 1 gigaton of CO2. In the last decade or so, waste became the fastest growing part of the stuff we throw away, and this stuff is full of toxins that is not properly removed, reused, or recycled can poison the land, air, and water, as well as the bodies of workers exposed to the chemical context. The other part is, how do you see the future of our planet? Well, I wish I could tell what is the future will bring, but no one is not for sure how global warming will play out. So, in fact, not knowing is one of the problems because global warming is a significant risk to our society, and this consequence could affect different parts around the world in different ways. So, for example, a consequence is the rise of sea levels over the next several decades. Sea level will probably rise 10 or 20 centimeters. And besides the sea level rise, there are a variety of another likely change around the world. There might be intense heat waves, increasing incidence of infection, and respiratory diseases, change in ecosystems, particularly at high latitudes, and loss of biodiversity, just for to name a few. As a society, I think that we can make choice that with about the serious consequence of global warming. There are simple choices that one of can make, like install energy saving, like bulbs in our homes, and then there are choices that we can make together, like choosing leaders who will insist and figure out a way to keep carbon production by coal-fired power plants, the most common electric power plants around the world, for going into the atmosphere. There is no single solution, so there are only many small ones. So, that is all. Thank you.